Have you ever felt nervous speaking English at the airport?
Don't worry. Today, you will learn simple, real-life English to make your next trip easy.
Leo and I are flying today, and we will show you exactly what to say when checking in, going through security, and finding your gate.
Come with us, and let's learn together.
Good morning. Where are you flying today? Good morning. We are flying to Tokyo. Great. Can I see your passports and tickets, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Just one suitcase for me. Sarah is taking her backpack on the plane.
Yes, just my backpack. Perfect. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay, here you go.
Your bag is good. Is it okay if we choose our seats? Are there an aisle and a middle seat available together? Let me check. Sure, no problem. Here are your passports and your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 12. Have a great trip. Thank you. Next, please. Can I see your boarding passes and passports?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Please place all your bags on the table. Do we need to take out our laptops?
Yes, please put laptops in a separate tray. Also, please remove your shoes and jackets. Okay, no problem. Do you have any liquids in your bags? Water bottles or coffee? Oh, I have a bottle of water. Can I bring it? I'm sorry, no. You cannot bring liquids over 100 milliliters. You will have to throw it away. That's okay. I will throw it in the bin. Okay, into the trash can. Thank you. Now, please step through the metal detector. It made a loud beep sound. Please step back. Do you have any coins or keys in your pockets, sir? Oh, I forgot my keys. Try again, please. You are both all clear. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Wait. I think we're going the wrong way.
Are you sure? I thought the gate was this way.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
You actually passed it. Go straight down this hall and turn left. Just follow the signboards. Gate 12 will be on your right.
Thank you. I will look for the signs.
Good thing we asked.
Good afternoon, passengers. Flight 405 to Tokyo is now ready for boarding at Gate 12. We are now calling all passengers in Zone 1. Excuse me, is this the line for Zone 2? No, this is Zone 1. I think Zone 2 is waiting over there. Ah, I see it. Thank you so much.
Our zone is next. Let's get ready.
Welcome aboard. Can I see your boarding passes?
Yes, here they are.
You are in seats 14A and 14B. Walk down this aisle, they will be on your left side. Welcome to Tokyo. Passports, please.
Hello. Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit? We are here for sightseeing. How long will you be staying in Japan?
We will be here for 1 week.
And where are you staying? We are staying at a hotel in Shibuya. Please look at the camera and place your fingers on the scanner. Everything is perfect. Enjoy your trip. Thank you.
Now we need to find our bags. Where do we go?
Let's check the screen. Our flight was from London.
I see it. Flight 405 from London is at carousel number 4.
Do you see your black suitcase?
Not yet.
Wait, there it is. It's coming right now.
Got it. Wait, this isn't my suitcase.
There are like 10 black suitcases here, Leo.
There, the one with the blue tag. That's mine.
Finally, let's head to the exit. We don't have anything to declare, so we can follow the green signs.
Excuse me, do you have anything to declare today? No, we don't. Are you carrying any fresh fruit, vegetables, or meat?
No, just our clothes and personal items.
All right, you are good to go. Welcome to Japan. Thank you very much.
We finally made it! As you can see, knowing these English phrases makes traveling so much easier.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please subscribe to our channel. Clicking the button is actually a great help for us.
Have a safe flight, and see you in the next video.